What did he do? Have 2, 1, goodbye. Yes, then take the bazooka thing and full on power to you. Oh, I forgot he had the seal. I'm so stupid. Goodbye to you, I guess. Yes, nice. Great. Now we are just waiting for come up. Just waiting. There were so many places to have gone, and it was literally the worst place. And you just won. I don't know why. Oh, that's so unfair. I don't care. Play again. I want to play. Now I'm gonna win. Yes, I get it. Now I'm gonna win. The white ones. Battle Stadium. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna a complete miss. Not a complete miss, but you know what I mean. What are you going to do, Ram Rider? That doesn't seem that well. That wasn't good. I have a monkey here. Did I get to shoot myself? What did I do? What? Okay, I'll just do the trick. That went a bit too far. I needed to be more serious. What are you going to do now, Ram Rider? And he's going for... less power and a little bit more up, less power here. That was a bit too much less power, but okay, we can do this. Where are you going to shoot, my guy? That's not going to work. What are you going to do now? Oh no, I'm in big trouble. I just died. Great. Absolutely great. Where am I gonna... Perfect. Right in the face. Right in the face. Yeah. That did some damage. Where is the elephant gonna go? That's so unfair. He just has an elephant. He's just going through. I'm a monkey. What is... I have a fish. Fish. I want to use a fish. What are you going to do now with the bazooka? Yeah, aim right there. You're going to miss if you do that. Just do that and I will be happy. You're going to totally miss with this. What? If it was real life, that wouldn't work. I think. Get a slap with a fish. That didn't do anything. Now I can do it again. Great. So, what I'm gonna do, I can't do nothing. Great. So close. I almost did it. What are you going to do now? Why has he got that elephant? That's actually so... I'm actually so disappointed by that. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Where are you gonna shoot? This is going to probably miss. Yes, I knew it. Okay. Next thing, I need to get my bazooka and go right there. A little bit less power, and that was a bit too much less. I'm literally going to destroy this whole... Well, I hate that elephant! That elephant! I hate it so much. Now what are you going to do, Ram Rider? What are you gonna do? Are you going to shoot me with a bazooka? Are you gonna shoot with a bazooka? Let's see you do it. So you